G'day, Shah here once again with Full Wheels on the Road, helping you get the most out of your time away. Today we're asking the question once again, go or no go. We're down here at the beautiful Hinze Dam, or as it's now known these days, Advancetown Lake. I'm just going to check out what's on offer around here and see if it's something you might like to come and take a look at. Let's go see. Hey Birdie. The Hinze Dam is located in the Gold Coast hinterland. In terms of recreation areas and things to do around the area, you've got a lot of different access points. Around the hinterland side, you've got the Advancetown boat ramp. You also have the Forest Park picnic area, which is on Nerang Murwillumbah Road, the other side of the dam itself, as you'll see on the map here. And you've also got the playground and cafe area, which is quite a significant area and offers quite a few things to do as well. The sections we're going to be going and checking out today is the Western Boat Ramp, and later on we're going to head up to the cafe. First of our stop-off points this morning is the Western Boat Ramp here on Hinze Dam. You're pretty much covered for quite a lot of activities here. You've got bathrooms here, there's a picnic area up the top. The boat ramp here is fantastic, so if you wanted to come and bring your boat here or a kayak here, you've got excellent access down to the water here. It's a concreted boat ramp, so it's not an old one by any stretch of the imagination. It's in really good condition. And if you wanted to just come in here and hang out for the day, even just up in the picnic area, it'd be a pretty good place to do so. There's also fishing allowed on Hinze Dam also, so plenty to do just here even. And this is just one of quite a few places that are actually available here. All right, let's go take a bit more of a look around the area, shall we? So as you can see here, there's great access down to the water. Unfortunately here at Hinze Dam, there's no swimming allowed. But I mean, if you're here for fishing, kayaking, boating, fantastic place to just come and hang out. This access here at the boat ramp is really fantastic. Another one of the options that you've got for things to do here at Hinze Dam is to come and check out the Visitor Centre and the View Cafe here. Really great little view of the dam, and you can also go for a walk along the dam wall as well, which is really fantastic when the water's flowing. Unfortunately there's no water today, which is a bit of a bummer, but it's still nice to come and check out. All right, let's go take a look. In terms of other things to do here, there's also a big series of mountain bike trails, which is really fantastic, and they're all really well mapped out here. This is just up at the information area at the dam wall, so there's plenty of nice little trails to come and go for a cruise through, and about 4K right through to only a couple of 100 metres, so you've got a big variation, and it's a really nice area to come and just go for a ride through as well. So As I mentioned earlier, you've got plenty of different things that you can do up here. Kayaking, mountain biking, just coming to have a picnic, or even just coming to check out the cafe here. So, beautiful little area. Don't forget, if you're getting some value from this video and my channel, to like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly share. I really do appreciate it. The Hinze Dam is located in the Gold Coast hinterland. It was originally constructed in 1976 and supplies the main drinking water supply for the Gold Coast region. If you'd like to be notified of when the Hinze Dam begins to spill, you can actually sign up for a free notification service or download an app which will let you know when spillages are going to happen. Alright, well that's it from us up here today at Hinze Dam. It's been a great little day out here. Let me know what you think of the place in the comments down below. Is it a go or is it a no-go? Please don't forget as well to go and check out the new website. It's fantastic if I do say so myself. I've been working really hard on it. And don't forget as well to like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly share the channel. I really do appreciate it. And we'll see you next time we get 4 wheels on the road. Hey Birdie, what's going on, buddy?